Welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into the exciting world of cryptocurrency, especially how to make a Tron transaction using Doge in 2025. If you are looking to navigate the crypto landscape with confidence, you are in the right place. First, we need to know what is Tron. Tron is a decentralized platform known for its high-speed transaction and minimal fees, with the ability of process over 2000 transactions per second. It's a gaining traction as a preferred choice for developers and users alike. As of now, TRX is trading at around $0.2291 and reflecting a surge in market interest following a 23% price increase last December. Why you will use Tron? Tron stands out for its low transaction cost and robust architecture, making it ideal for content sharing decentralized application. It is also recognized as safe haven during market volatility, attracting investors who prioritize security and efficiency. A step to make a Tron transaction using Doge. First, set up your wallet. Ensure you have a Tron compatible wallet. Popular options including Tron Link and Trust Wallet. Acquire Doge token. You can purchase Doge token on various exchanges that supports Tron transaction. Make sure to choose a reputable exchange. Initiate the transaction. Open your wallet and navigate to the send option. Enter the recipient Tron address. Specify the amount of Doge you wish to send. Confirm transaction details. Double check all information, especially the recipient address, to avoid costly mistakes. Complete the transaction. Hit send and wait for the confirmation. With Tron's speed, this should be almost instantaneous. Making a Tron transaction using Doge is straightforward and efficient, thanks to its advanced blockchain technology. As you explore this vibrant crypto space, remember that Tron not only offers fast transaction but also serves as a resilient option during market fluctuation. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more tech tutorials. Happy trading!